I can't go back there.
Wait, so she wouldn't let you like use your card?
No, because it wasn't in my name.
Shit, because I paid for that girl because she wouldn't give her change.
See what I mean? She picked and choose.
Yeah, I used my card and then they gave me cash because they had the same problem. Like, yeah, they're rude over there.
Autel. I think Autel.
Well, no, they do police towing, so they don't care. They just, you know what I mean?
Police tow.
Yeah, so they don't care about the public. They'll keep. They want to keep your car basically.
Yeah.
So.
You want to plug the battery or no?
Yeah, you can plug it up. Yeah.
No, I mean, it is plugged up.
Yeah, leave it on. Oh, that's fine. It is what it is. We need it plugged in. Let me get a key. So how did you resolve it? They got your wallet out of your car or something?
I had to go fucking to the third party MVD to get a printout of my ID and my fucking.
No, I'm talking about the payment. How did you?
Oh, we had to send it to my car and come up here and get cash.
Oh, right. Programming slot. What am I doing?
Yeah, man, my fucking little brother. I don't think you ever met my twin brother Marcus. I mean, well, no, not my twin, but he is a twin. He's my sister Michaela's twin brother.
What did I do? I killed the battery? Oh my goodness. Hold on. Let's see.
Drunk to the motherfucker.
Oh, right here, top of that right
Tire shop.
Family Dollar, they ain't gotta go nowhere.
Nowhere, everything walking distance.
You got a rag or something? To cover it up with?
I just have to charge. I need to charge my other phone. It's at 6%. GMC. Yukon. Forgot what year. Smart key. What year is the car?
Yeah.
What year?
16.
16? Okay. I'm in the wrong year, but that's okay.
I couldn't watch that video. Maybe you can show it to me when you're done. So
Yeah, we were there for like 3 hours trying to get her car out.
Yeah. You said me pretty much on that video that lady was cutting up.
Yeah, she was waiting the fuck out. I believe every bit of it.
That place sucks. So let's see.
Yeah, but that's what she said tomorrow.
For the listening?
Yeah, he's put the microwave up. And that should take up a couple minutes, right? I'll hold it up.
Yeah, that don't take nothing, but like I said, the leveler with that thing on the back. Well, we just put it on the back of there, put it up there, hold it up, run that marker across.
Yeah.
Boom, now take it back and mount that thing up on there.
Yeah.
We mount that on, then put the microwave up and hold it up.
I'm gonna put this one on YouTube also, okay? All right. Code.
But we're gonna take that whole microwave Ace Hardware. Because we gotta get the right side thread screws. Because we don't know what the screws look like. We can't screw anything in there. So they gonna put this thing like a pretty long screw through that wood microwave.
All right, we're gonna have to wait 12 minutes.
12 minutes?
Yep.
Well, I know that machine was a pretty penny right there.
I have no idea if this is an 8 or a 10 cut. I think it's a 10 cut. It probably doesn't make a difference because it's just a door key. But I will put it as a 10. See what happens. checked it.
And it's the address at... You got the right address, right?
Yeah, there was only a bottom handle. There's not a deadbolt on the door. There's like a hole for a deadbolt, but there's not actually a deadbolt.
6638 North 53rd Drive.
Yeah, ask him if it's the... show him that picture I sent you. Ask him if that's the right door.
Okay, I'll call him.
All right. Alright, we got our door key down. Just waiting on that. Okay, let's take this down so we can see the spring. Should say ready for remote 4. What the fuck? Why'd your thing just die on me completely? Sure. Your battery's connected good? Oh, hold on. Now it came back on. But it didn't take the key.
Hey, bro, it's not. I'll just have Destinee, because Destinee off tomorrow anyways. It ain't nothing but a... I'll come back to the house, pick her up, and then go back to get the car.
Maybe it's this one.
Fucking, 30-minute drive. Yeah, that ain't bad. Yeah, I don't want to be responsible to come back the whole way. You go get your trailer? Hell no, I'm in here sleep. No.
After I throw a truck on the back of this motherfucker. Fuck, they take my truck. They threw that motherfucker on the trailer.
I'm trying to figure out where that slot is. The current key is complete, but it's not. Next key, yes.
Why that slot is telling you, what is
Should say ready for remote 4. Might be this front area.
Yeah, they got it in neutral under there.
Yeah, that doesn't matter. Let me empty out this cup holder. I thought it was the cup holder. It's weird how it's dying on me like
you might
that.
have to YouTube this motherfucker?
I know, right? I'm probably gonna have to. I'll call some microphone a friend is better. Hold on. I have your owner's manual, but it's not showing me this car. GMC Yukon, right? Guess we want to do the next key. I don't know why it's shutting off like that. Usually it'll say ready for next key. Hold on.
The battery should be good.
I wonder if it's whatever update I did on this machine. It seems to be messing up every car.
Yes, sir.
Tommy, where's the programming slot for a 16 GMC Yukon? Does this car need to have a working key now with Autel or something?
No. It's a Yukon. So
Yeah.
I'm assuming that it's supposed to start.
Yeah.
Does it have a center seat?
No.
It's just the cup holders?
Yes.
I think I think it's like there's two round cup holders and like a square like in between.
There's no square in between.
And it's a full center console.
Yeah.
Here, send me a picture.
All right. Doesn't make any sense that like the car is like shutting off when I hit program key. I have a feeling that this Autel update is screwing me up again. Here, I'll send it to you right now.
Oh, I'm asking you which best.
I got the
Oh, dummy.
Where?
It's right next to the USB ports.
I put it in there.
there's two USB ports. Those ones and there's one right there in the corner.
In the console, just to the left of the USB ports.
In the front console, like in front of the cup holders, right?
No. The picture that you sent me.
Oh yeah, I put it in there too.
Yeah, the console the lid is lifted up.
I put it in there.
That's the programming spot.
You sure?
100%.
So why won't it take the key?
I don't know. You have maximum number of keys? Is there 6 keys learned?
Nope, there are 2.
I don't know. That don't make any sense.
I think you need a working key on this car again. I'll have to use the other machine.
No.
It's okay. I have a pin code. I can use my block machine. Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, I had a Ford, it was like an 18 or 19 F-150. All keys lost. Autel would not do it.
Yeah, there's some.
You use an X tool and it took just fine.
Yeah, I think that's what it is. Okay, I'll call you back. I may have to do it with one other machine. Sorry. All right, this machine took it. Yeah, there's a problem with this machine. I'm pretty sure. I have to run in and get a soda. So I updated it, and now basically it's not letting you do like all keys lost. You have to have a working key. They had a lot of theft. Check the buttons. The buttons are working, you know you're done. What's up with this guy? It's giving me a lot of problems right now after updating. Now it wants me to start the engine. I'll just say normal detected now.
Back in business, boys.
Oh shit.
The other door not opening up.
2 times.
They got the start on there too now.
Yeah.
On the key.
Remote start? Yeah. Did you have it before?
Yeah, I just had that breathalyzer, so it won't start up. Now the breathalyzer, I have to do a little jump start.
Yeah, I mean, as long as it was working before, it should work fine now. So, try it out.
I just have it locked and hold the key down.
Oh yeah, the car has to be locked, right? Yeah. All right, let me clean up my mess. We're all done.